Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, let's talk about the common mistakes we do while using if else and if elif else conditional statements in Python. The first mistake is instead of using elif here, using else if like this. This is not allowed. This is wrong. You need to use elif here. Syntax is elif, not else if. Elif stands for else if, but you can't use else if here. Okay, remember that. This is the first point. The second point is adding a condition to else block. That is, here you can see else block. In Python, we need to write else block without any condition. Else is unconditional. But if you include a condition here, for example, x is greater than minus 10 or something, this is wrong. We'll get error. You can't write else block with a condition. Next point is you must write elif block with a condition. Elif followed by a condition. You can't write this elif keyword without a condition. If you write like this, this is wrong. So when you are using elif block, write elif keyword, then a condition, colon. When you are using else block, write else, colon. You can't write a condition with else block, and you can't write elif block without a condition. Next, with an if statement, you can use only one else block. You can't use multiple else block with an if statement. For example, here we have an if statement, right? You can't write another else block here like this. This is not allowed in Python programming language. Error. Multiple else blocks are not allowed with an if statement. Next, multiple elif statements are allowed with an if statement. That is, here you can write another elif condition. Okay, that is allowed. Elif followed by a condition, colon, then write its body. It is allowed. Like this. Next, you can't write elif block or else block without if statement. If statement is must. Elif and else is optional, but if is must. If you are missing if statement, that's not going to work. Example, here instead of if, I'll use elif. Let's execute this. Save and execute. Invalid syntax. It's not allowed. If is must, elif and else are optional. And while writing the conditions here, any value or expressions are allowed, right? Because Python will internally evaluate it as false or true based on its truthy or falsy value. But remember that this comparison operator and assignment operators are different. Instead of using comparison operator, if you use assignment operator like this, it won't work. Invalid syntax. Okay, be careful about that. Okay, so these are the few things we need to remember while using if, elif, else conditional statements. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.